Friends, today I am going to share beach style fish fry recipe. This fish fry recipe made with basic ingredients. Crispy, delicious and flavorful fish fry can be served as an appetizer or as a side in a meal. Here I use the seed fish, but you can use any kind of fish. Hello friends, welcome back to Yummy India's Kitchen in English. Friends, if you are new to our channel, then please subscribe this channel and also hit the bell icon for more updates. So here I have taken 700 gram of seer fish or surmai machli. First you have to wash and clean the fish. How to wash and clean the fish? The link is given in the description of the video, so please do check that. Now first step is we'll marinate the fish. First we'll add 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, half teaspoon of garam masala, half teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of fish fry masala. If you don't have fish fry masala, then you can add 1 teaspoon of garam masala, half teaspoon of cumin powder, half teaspoon of cinnamon powder, half teaspoon of salt or as per taste, half teaspoon of chaat masala, half teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon of vinegar, and here I used 4 drops of orange red food color. This is optional. Now mix all the ingredients together to make a paste. In between you can add 2 tablespoons of water. Add gradually and make a thick paste. So here you can see the fish fry masala paste is ready. Now apply this marinade to the fish pieces. Massage the fish nicely with masala. Similarly, marinate all the fish pieces. Here you can see the fish is marinated. Now keep it aside at room temperature for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, open the lid. The fish is marinated nicely. Now we'll take one large plate and we'll sprinkle 1 cup of rice flour. To make rice flour, you have to roast the rice flour for 2 to 3 minutes in a pan and you have to grind it. Now we'll place the fish on the flour. Make sure the rice flour coats well onto the fish on both the sides. So like this you have to coat the fish very well with the rice flour. One by one you have to coat it. So here we have done. Now we'll heat a pan. Here I used non-stick pan. You can use any tawa or griddle. Add 4 tablespoons of mustard oil or any cooking oil. Heat the oil on high flame. Once the oil is hot, we'll turn the flame towards medium. Now we'll place the fish gently in the oil and be careful while frying the fish. We'll fry only 2 to 3 pieces, not more than that. Otherwise the fish will start breaking. Now let it fry for 3 minutes on medium heat. Don't touch the fish in between. Fry until it turns to crusty. This fish fry tastes exactly like the beach style fish fry. You are going to relish it. Now in between pour hot oil over the fish like this. After 3 minutes, flip the fish with the help of 2 spatula. Be gentle while flipping the fish. So you have to be very careful while flipping it. Once it's done, now cook for 3 minutes from other sides until it turns to crusty. Here you can see the other side is cooked nicely. You can see the crunchiness over the fish. In weekends you can try this recipe and relish this recipe with your friends and family. After 3 minutes you will see the fish cooked nicely. Now we'll take out the fish from the pan. So here you can see the fish is fried nicely. Similarly, fry the remaining fish until it turns to crusty from both the sides. Now once it's done, now we'll do the plating. Now garnish this fish fry with sliced onion, lemon and chutney. Before serving, sprinkle chaat masala, black pepper powder and little bit red chili powder. So a delicious and flavorful fish fry recipe is ready to serve. Share this recipe with your friends and family. Post your thought about this recipe in comment section. You can also follow this channel on other social media platform. Link is given in the description of the video. Also, we have listed the ingredient list in the description of the video, so please do check that. To watch same recipe in Hindi, subscribe Yummy India's Kitchen Hindi channel. Link is given in the description of the video. See you soon with my new recipe. Thank you for watching the video and happy cooking.